Welcome to MxReserve, where you can reserve inventory items in a shopping cart style mobile application for IBM Maximo. This tutorial will take you through the basic operations of the app. Let's get started. When you first launch MxReserve, you will be prompted to enter your IBM Maximo credentials. Start by pressing the settings icon in the right corner of the header bar. This will launch the settings screen. On the settings screen, you will be prompted for your IBM Maximo URL, username, and password. Start by entering the URL. Note that you can simply enter the host name in this field if you are not using SSL or you are using non-standard HTTP ports. Otherwise, please fill in the entire address. Supply your IBM Maximo username and supply your password. You can choose to show item images if you have them uploaded in Maximo. Press Update Settings and you're ready to go. Enter a search term in the search bar to find items that you want to reserve. MxReserve will find a list of items that match your search term. The list can be sorted by touching the item, description, or status buttons underneath the search bar. Touching twice on a button will sort the list in descending order. The list will show a thumbnail image of the item if available, and will show availability of the item in storerooms within your organization. Touch on an item to view more details and add an item to your shopping cart. On the Items Detail page, you will see 4 tabs at the bottom of the screen: Availability, Specifications, Purchasing, and Reservations. Each tab will contain the item number, description, and status of the item, along with an image of the item, if available. On the Availability tab, you will see a quantity field that defaults to 1 item. Touch on the one to change the quantity that you're reserving. Underneath the quantity are a list of the storerooms that the item is available within. MxReserve shows the storeroom, site, current quantity on hand, available quantity based on other reservations, and unit cost of the item for each storeroom. Pressing the Add to Cart button will add the quantity specified of the item to your shopping cart and take you to the shopping cart page. The Specifications tab will show you the item specifications, such as specific sizing information, material of construction, etc. The Purchasing tab will show you any open purchase requisitions or purchase orders that the item is currently listed on, so you can see whether there are any more coming in soon. Finally, the Reservations tab will show you any existing reservations that are outstanding for the item, which may be affecting the item's available balance. You can swipe left or right on the Item Details page to navigate through your list of items. Pressing the Home button at the top will take you back to the list. Once you have put at least one item in your shopping cart, the cart icon on the title bar will display a red badge indicating the number of items in your cart. Touch the cart icon to view items in your shopping cart. On the shopping cart page, you can review your order before submitting. Touch the Remove from Cart button to toggle a trash can icon on each row. Touching the trash can will delete the row from your shopping cart. You can keep shopping for items by pressing the Home button in the upper left. When you're ready to submit your order, press the Checkout button. On the Checkout page, you will enter information about your order. First, provide a description of the material request. This information is required. Next, supply the work order number that the parts will be reserved under. You can optionally change the required date and/or priority of the request. When you're ready to check out, press the Submit Material Request button. MxReserve will create your material request and the reservation will be placed. That's it for now. If you have any questions, you can email support@a3jgroup.com with questions or problems. Be sure to check out our suite of mobile apps for Maximo at the a3jgroup.com website.